Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am preparing a combination of meat and pathrode using my own chicken sukka masala powder. This is my third episode in the pathrode series. In my first episode I had showed you the traditional method of preparing pathrode by grinding the masala, preparing the pathrode rolls and then adding them to the curry. In my second episode I had prepared the Colocasia steam cakes or pathrode and then preparing a curry by adding coconut milk and my masala powder. And now in the third episode, I am going to show you how to combine meat and pathrode. For this preparation, you can use mutton, chicken or beef. But it is always preferable to use mutton or beef since chicken is a little bit of heat and also pathrode generates a lot of body heat. So you can avoid chicken. But in case you don't eat any other meat, then you can use chicken provided you add a little more ghee to the curry so that it balances the body heat. Also, I am going to share all the tips on how to make this dish more delicious. So please watch my video till the end. I told you I'll be using my chicken sukka masala powder. To buy any of my masala powders, you can find the link in the description box. My masala powders are free from artificial flavors and colors and it's completely homemade. In case you don't find my masala powders but still you want to prepare this dish, you can use the masala I have used in my first episode and prepare this combination dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. I have kept all the ingredients ready. Just look here. I got the fresh Colocasia leaves. I have soaked the red boiled rice with some green gram. I have cleaned the meat. I have taken some few ingredients from my kitchen. Little bit of coconut. I will explain everything as I go through the recipe. First, we need to prepare the Colocasia leaves by removing the thick veins. This helps in neutralizing and reducing the itching. These particular variety of Colocasia leaves are less itchy and tasty. I have homegrown them myself. You can use taro leaves or any other variety of leaves for preparing this dish. You can also wear a gloves while cutting these Colocasia leaves as some leaves cause itching. In case you experience any kind of itching while cutting the Colocasia leaves, just rub some tamarind on the affected part. The itching will be reduced. This is why we add little bit of tamarind while grinding the batter for preparing the Colocasia steam cakes. I am using my pair of scissors for finely chopping these Colocasia leaves. Another important tip, it's always nice to add more leaves to the batter. Adding more leaves adds to the taste, texture and also it creates a lot of air pockets so that the curry is absorbed well and the overall dish comes out very tasty. After you finely chop the Colocasia leaves, we have to mix it to the batter. For preparing the steam cake batter, I have coconut. I have soaked 2 cups of red boiled rice with 1/4 cup of green gram. So green gram helps to balance the heat created by the leaves. Along with that, I will be adding turmeric leaves, asafoetida, 4 to 5 red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon pepper and tamarind. So here my batter is ready. Now let me mix all the leaves that I have finely chopped. I still feel I have used less leaves for the batter since I just had 8 leaves. So 2 more would have been better. The batter is ready. Just grease a steel or aluminium plate and pour the batter on that and you can steam it. Here I have got teak plant leaves which were traditionally used in preparing the steam cakes. So now I will just prepare these small parcels of steam cake batter and steam it in the steam cooker. Just see that there is enough gap in between the steam cake parcels so that the steam reaches all the parcels and it is evenly cooked. I hope you all are enjoying watching this video. I suggest you to watch my other 2 videos of preparing Colocasia leaves or the pathrode episode 1 and 2 in which you can find more information and make it clear on preparing this dish. While our steam parcels are getting ready, let's cook the meat adding 300 ml of water, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger, few cloves, about 5 to 8 cloves, salt to taste and 2 inches of cinnamon, and also you can add bay leaves. So cook this until the meat is fully cooked. In case you are using chicken, you don't have to cook this in a cooker. You can cook this in a normal open pan. While our meat is getting cooked, let's prepare the masala. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Fry 2 medium-sized onions and let it become translucent, and then you can add 4 to 6 garlic cloves. Gently crush the garlic cloves while you add. Fry it for a minute and then add 3 cups of coconut. 3 cups of coconut is equivalent to 1 big coconut. Once the coconut turns nice and fragrant, just add 2 tablespoons of Rovenas chicken sukka masala. Before you add the chicken sukka masala, just off the flame. Our masala powders are prepared with premium ingredients with no color or any kind of preservatives. In case you want to buy my masala powders, I will share the link in my description box. You can buy it online. Gently mix in the masala powder with the coconut and the other ingredients and wait until it cools down. Once the ingredients are cooled, just grind it to a smooth paste. For the final preparation, in a vessel add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil gets heated up, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. I hope you are enjoying watching this video, and I'm sure if you are a Mangalorean, you will definitely love Pathrode. So let me know in comments if this is your favorite dish. I just added the onions and let me wait until it turns translucent. So once I feel the onions are slightly soft, I will add 1 big tomato, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Continue frying until everything turns soft. I just want to repeat here, I'm using the masala powder, but in case you're not able to find the masala powder or you don't have it, you can just check my recipe from episode 1 and prepare the masala according to that and follow the same process. So here I just added the masala that I just ground and I also added the masala water. Once you mix it to a medium thick consistency, add the cooked meat and the stock. So initially don't add lot of water because you have to add the stock. Now let the curry come to one boil, and as the curry is bubbling, you can add 2 tablespoons of Rovenas Chicken Sukka Masala. Before adding, just see the spiciness of the curry. You can adjust it accordingly. I have already cut the steam cakes into cubes and now I will add them to the curry. I always prepare the Colocasia steam cake curry 1 day in advance and at least heat it 2 or 3 times before serving. Once the curry starts boiling, cover it with a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Give a final touch to this dish by adding finely chopped coriander leaves. It gives a good flavor and aroma. Delicious Colocasia Leaves steam cake curry is ready. Let it sit aside for at least 4 to 5 hours before you serve it. I hope you loved watching this video. If you like it, share it with your friends and relatives. I will be back with new recipes. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.